So no real intro. Uh, MIA for the last week because of classes, work, and practice. And we had to meet Saturday, but you know how to go. Also, I've been sick Saturday night up until early this morning. Today is Tuesday. Oh, this, but Tuesday would usually be a chest day. But since I ended last week off on a chest day, we're gonna start with legs. Not really gonna go heavy because, like I said, I've been sick and I was down like 6 pounds in a week. And I ain't gonna tell you, I have been in and out of sleep since Saturday. And I do mean in I have been eating nothing but applesauce and drinking pro pills and NyQuil. And it's probably why I've been asleep. I didn't realize why I was so sleepy until I was talking to somebody and I was like, I've been drinking NyQuil. And I was like, oh shit, NyQuil the one that puts you to sleep. But it is what it is, man. I'm feeling better today. My nose is raw because I've been sweating and I pretty much sweated out all my mucus and whatnot. Body was aching, nose was hurting. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna say I had a cold or anything, but you hear how I sound now. My throat, it's not sore, but you can hear it. But anyway, we already got through the warm up and whatnot. Now all we gotta do is start the workout. Honestly, probably just gonna do a couple sets of squats just to see. Frankly, just see nothing. Just so I have some type of motion today. Uh, and I probably do. Now I'm lying. I'm gonna just do some squats today. And then I'm gonna check my weight on the scale, which probably should. Yeah, I'm gonna do that before I start working out. I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm finna go check the scale right quick. Let's see. Oh God. And this with me being I can say fully clothed. I got my sweater and stuff on still. Goddamn. Oh. So we just checked the scale for 162, which is fucking, uh, which is way below victim weight. We made it past victim weight for like 2 weeks, but can't stay above it too long. And I have a massive headache because I ain't been able to eat because I've been asleep. At least I'm well rested. But you know what they say, too much rest can take you through it. Because I ain't going too heavy and I'm not. Just realized my mic wasn't on. I'm gonna cut all that other stuff out, but what I said was 163 victim weight. Uh, we're gonna do 3 sets of 6 on this, and then we're gonna go to 185, 3 sets of 6. Then we're gonna spend the rest of the time in here doing mobility, just because my hips are extremely sore. Probably because I didn't stretch before I tried to vault this weekend, but I also didn't know that they changed the order. So instead of the girl going first, the guys were going first. So That's a fuck up on my part. I should have double checked with the officials while we are there instead of hoping they were gonna stay on schedule. But let's get to it, man. 6 deep controlled squats. 3 sets, man. Oh my God, my knees. Goodness gracious. My knees are terrible. My knees are terrible. Yes. I don't think I warmed up long enough. Oh. Yeah. Let's keep it a $150. I'm not like I didn't get past the third set. The third set, my body was tired, and I feel like I was dying to get some air in my system. So we cut it short. That's it. That's all. We're gonna try again tomorrow. I did eat, or I tried to force myself to eat dinner. All I ate was a whole bunch of potatoes and some pickled greens. But before I go to sleep tonight, I'll eat me a bowl of ramen and some tuna. You know, something decently light, because I have practice in the morning, hopefully. Classes got canceled tomorrow, but practice shouldn't be canceled because the roads are pretty much clear. So yeah, catch y'all tomorrow. Should be chest day. But I'm feeling tiny. I'm looking smaller. Or at least in my eyes, I'm looking smaller. But I am pretty much 10 pounds. I ain't gonna say pretty much. I am 10 pounds lighter than I was last week. Told you, it's easy to drop weight. It's hard to hold weight. So, catch y'all tomorrow.